Okay, today I'm going to show you how to edit an existing sketch. So say you left off the day before with an open sketch and you weren't able to extrude it into something. First off, you have to open it. And once you open it, your sketch should pop up. Okay, it should be in the green line or a different colored line. So if you have this sidebar over here, you go to the sketch that you want. Notice it's highlighted in blue. You right click, edit sketch, and then you can either say you needed to change the size or move it around or whatever. You can do that when we do that. Okay. Once you're done doing whatever you need to do, you just click finish, extrude, and finish it the way you need. Okay. If you don't have this sidebar, go up to view, user interface, and make sure model is selected. Okay. Next, if you say you know you've already extruded it and you know you need to change it, you come over to the extrusion that you need to change. So notice when I highlight that one, it highlights in a white dotted line. Same with that one. Okay? So say I need to change that, I just right click. To edit the sketch, you can do that, or to edit the feature, which is the extrusion, you can do that. So say I didn't really want it all the way, say I want it about half, I could change that. Okay. The only thing about this is it will not extrude the other way. So you would just have to right click, delete the whole thing, and start over. Okay. Make sure that in order to do all that, this is up. Okay. Remember, it's view, user interface, model. And then after any changes you make, just make sure you file, save as, whatever you're working on, and wherever you need to save it. Okay.